Morning everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm at Heathrow Airport and now we are leaving for Lisbon. So this is our ride for the Lisbon. So landed in Lisbon. That was good. We are going to the baggage area. I'm looking for our name over here. So this is our meeting point and our driver is coming to pick us up. Main exit of the airport and we are going outside now. So we are now in Lisbon. Now we are going into this market. We have vendors over here. So lots of vendors are over here for the food. Love these purple color flowers over here. We are heading towards the beach. So this is another way of commuting. I do not know what do they call it. Thank you. Okay, so now we are getting close to the beach. Finally we are at the beach now.
We just to love something his flow here. We should here.
Back end you can see some cruises. Two cruises are. So Here is the Lisbon signage. It's a good spot. Here you can see. करके दिखाऊं? Here you are. Lisbon. I will clip my picture afterwards. So nice. I love those arches over here. जल्दी आ जाओ कहाँ पे
उस साइड पे भी तो ऐसी शॉप्स लगी हैं फिर उधर
flowers are looking so nice.